Hey, what's up, guys? So here we are still in Japan. Today I'm gonna take you guys actually to just tag along with me on my day out. It's kind of starting to get a bit cold, so I kind of wanted to do one of these videos right now. Hopefully this isn't the video that I go super popular and stuff and everyone's like, wow, that's a dope channel. Because today I'm going to take y'all to a shop I like to check out that not a lot of people online talk about. Some people do, but not a lot. And the stuff there tends to be pretty cheap. And then after that, we're going to go check out like this huge spot that has like a bunch of vending machines. So I'm gonna try to make the spot I like to go to a bit short, and then the other spot is gonna be like the main attraction. So they have like an old vending machine there and stuff. So it'll be an interesting experience. Alright guys, I'll catch y'all then. Alright, so this is how outside looks like. I live over here. I don't think it matters because I'm not gonna have anyone stalk me, so there you go. I leaked my address and everything. But yeah, we just head here and then I head to the train station. It's a little bit far, but the entrance isn't too far, so we're just gonna head to the entrance right now. I guess I'll have y'all follow me so you could see how outside and where I live looks like. And then as soon as we get to the entrance, I'll go ahead and end the video so it's not super long. Yeah, the entrance is just like past that sign over there in blue, and then I have to walk another like 10 to 15 minutes to get to the train. Yeah, so if you guys don't know, this is the Ikebukuro area. And yeah. So here, I'll just show y'all heading inside and the entrance. So I head in here. This is the entrance. And then inside they also have like some stores and stuff. So over here you can eat some like oden, I guess, or udon, something like that. And then yeah, so I just have to walk like 10 minutes. I'll talk to y'all then. Alright guys, here we are in the Shinjuku hack rooms. Alright guys, here we are. We're gonna head over there. It's a little mall. I'm gonna go check out the third floor. I heard that they have a shop that I haven't seen. And then I'm gonna take y'all to Surugaya. That's the store I like to check out over here. We're just waiting for the light to turn green. Alright y'all, I see you inside. So I came over here inside the mall. It's on the third floor. But everything they have is kind of overpriced. and they have like a small selection as well. So yeah, that is that spot. Yeah, so they have all of these video games, and I like to see if I could find some limited edition ones that are hard to find. Yeah, everything inside of here seems to be really expensive. So you just have to be able to get lucky and see if you could find something nice for cheap. Alright, right now we're gonna take a limited express train to the spot, and then we have to take another train and then a bus. So it's like an hour and a half, a bit more. Let's just say it's gonna take like 2 hours. Alright guys, so we got here. We're like 4 minutes away. So I'm heading over there right now. It is like in the middle of nowhere, but I'm excited. See y'all there. Alright guys, here we are. We're gonna go ahead and go around and show y'all everything. Oh look, they have that American apple juice. And interesting enough, they have something called Orion's cider. Some other stuff. Over here they have some candy packs. We could go in here. They have some dry battery. Not sure what that is, but there's that. A lot of candy. The cider. Ice cream machine. Here's an old coffee machine. Chips. I'm not sure what that is, but it seems like it's cinnamon flavor. Not sure what that is either. I think it might be honey, it looks like. I have to check on my own later, but I'll show y'all right now. Oh look, they have the candy store like in Mexico, but it's a little bit different. There we are, just going through. It has a lot of vending machines actually. Oh look, they even got Kamen Rider mask and Ultraman, and they have like a little toy doll here. Interestingly enough, I wonder what that is. It has like a button or something. Some more candy boxes. Oh look, they got this little candy right here. Oh look, it's the mochi I like. They got some candy in here too. More candy. Some more vending machines over here. But these are like pretty common candy. They got the little jelly over there. They have a face mask vending machine. I'm not sure what that is, but it's not working. Orange juice. or ramen, it seems. I'm not sure if it's cooked though. But yeah. They also have some more coffee machines over here. And a camera machine. This is cool. I haven't ever seen this. More candy or juice machine. Soda. Some chip machine. Sapporo beer machine. They got the smokes, and it seems like it's the pig box of smokes. Ice cream, some beer, energy, and some juice. Calorie Mate. Some more soda, and I don't know what that is, like honey something. Has a B on it. And then the famous Plusi. I don't know what that is, but they got another one, and over here it sells some juices. Botelka, food and snacks, and Sangria coffee. I'm not sure if Sangria is like a Mexican brand, but it's also over here or what, but it is interesting. Alright, let's head back to the other side so I could show you all the other ones. Over there they have a cup noodle machine. It heats it up and everything. A gum machine. This looks like some type of also noodles. Some chewing gum machine. American popcorn. Nectar machine. Some meat. A machine over here. Got some meat. Old coffee machines. I've actually seen the coffee machine in America. This looks like it has everything. It has takoyaki, chicken, fries. Look, the chicken tenders and fries is pretty famous. My friend would enjoy that one. Got some Coke here. I'm not sure what that is, but it's probably like your luck. Yeah, pretty cool stuff. Here's the noodle shop. Look, they got the icy, some more coffee. Oh, look, they even got curry machine, some more soup. I'm not sure what these are. I'll check them on my own, translate them, and see if I want them. Look, they have a machine over here that also has like a microwave. Pretty cool. What is this? Is this milk? I think that one's milk right there. Then a bunch of coffees and Skull water. Ramen. Little microwave. Soda. Oh, look, this is the one that is in Akita as well. Akita has one of these. Oh, the sandwich machine. I was interested in these. I'll get a nice little sandwich. Then, is this a hamburger? Hamburger. I don't know if I should try these, yo. Hamburger from a vending machine. And more soups over here. And then we got some more vending machines over here. A mini restaurant. And it seems like it's hot 24/7. Alright, let me just check over here. Oh, yeah. I already showed y'all these. Alright, well, I'll go to the other side. I missed a few. Alright, so over here's everything I missed. They have like some alcohol over here. And they have a bunch of gachapon. And this machine that has a small X over here. Pretty cool. Only 400, and I think this is like a gamble. So you put in 400 and you're able to obtain one of these. Alright guys, I'm gonna go look around and see what I'm interested in. I'll try it out. I'll see y'all then. Okay guys, I ended up buying a sandwich. I was not looking forward to the sandwich because I wanted the ham and cheese, but the only one that they had was the corned beef, so it is a bit sad. I'm pretty sure corned beef tastes a lot like Spam or something, but here I could show you the Orion's cider. Tastes good. See if I can put y'all down a bit. You guys don't have to see a lot of my face, but here's the Spam one. Looks kind of mid, man, but let's go ahead and eat it. It's not bad actually. Go ahead and try the Orion cider. Yeah, it tastes good. It's my first time trying it. It tastes like it has alcohol, but I think in Japan, the cider, it doesn't have any alcohol. But yeah, I was also interested in like the hamburgers, but the machines are either broken or hold out. Alright guys, so I went ahead and I bought some stuff. Here, let me turn on my microphone quick so y'all could hear me better. So I found these like bubble gum, and it's Coke flavor, it seems. Let's go ahead and see it. It seems like it's a little vending machine or something. So you open it, and it's supposed to fall out or something. Probably have to open it or something first. Let's see. Yeah, so it is like a vending machine. Inside it has the baggie. So I guess I can open it. Yeah, why not? Right. And you put all of them inside. Then here's the little box, and then you just press in. And then there you go. It tastes good. I will say that maybe it tastes a little bit antique in a way. Although Well, yeah, looks like that. Pretty cool. Let me put the gum here for a second. So I bought this by accident because I was there's a vending machine and the number it had was like 13, and then I put the number 1 and the number 3, but it turns out that it had a button for the number 13, so I got this for the number 1. I'm not sure what it is. It looks like eel. Yeah, it's eel. If you guys ever had like a beef turkey, yeah. I also bought these cookies. I'm pretty sure these are just some common cookies. Go ahead, open them. But I've never had these, so they look like that. That tastes really good, actually. It tastes like the Ritz cookies from America. Oh, this one is a mess. But here, it's like a ball with powder on it. It tastes good. And then I got these for only like $1, which ain't bad at all. It's a whole bag. And then it has the little fruit jelly. I know a lot of people like do on the internet like this, but you could just on top just open it. It's not super complicated, y'all. Like, you see, boom, and then you could just yeah, there you go. And that's everything I bought that I saw interesting. So should you come here? My answer for y'all is to try to come here early, because it seems like they under his talk is stuff, and they also have a little change on the machines, so you have to make sure to bring exact change over here for the machines. It seems like the lady and some dude are stocking them right now, but yeah, all I got to say for y'all. If the lady puts in like the hamburger I was interested in, or the other sandwich, I'ma go. But if not, then it's okay. But yeah, guys, that's everything. And if you guys see this one is good. Heel is good. Alright. Ate my bubble gum. All right, yeah. Peace. So yeah, that is interesting. Alright, guys, remember to like and subscribe, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.